Hey everyone, today is November 25th, 2020, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And today's my second video I'm making after my 5-month break from YouTube. And on my previous video, I want to thank all of you guys for the support and the love. Posting my last video made me motivated again to make content for all of you. And like I said in my previous video, I'm gonna get a project car in the meantime until the 2022 Subaru BRZ comes out next year. And I'm actually working on it right now, and I think you guys are gonna like this project car. So in 2 days from today, this upcoming Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, I'm getting my new equal length header that my buddy Tony made for me. And like I showed you guys in my last video, this is a custom equal length header that he made, and it is beautiful. And I've heard it on other people's BRZs, FRSs, and 86s before, and it sounds great. And I'll show you guys a couple pictures of how it looks like. And I know I showed you guys what it looks like in my previous video, but if you guys didn't see it, I'll post a couple pictures of what the header looks like right now. And the header does look amazing. It really does look great, and the quality is really good. And there's actually dyno numbers that go with the header. And when I post the video getting it installed, I'll post the dyno numbers as well. So my current exhaust setup I have on my BRZ, I've had it on my car for the past 3 years. And I have my NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust, my JDL unequal length header, and the reason why I'm switching out my headers is because my JDL header has a leak in it. And I also have my HKS dual resonated front pipe, and with that leak my header doesn't sound 100%. With that small leak, I'm not getting that deep rumble I had with my JDL header previously. Don't get me wrong, the exhaust still does sound good. I only have 2 more days I'll have this header on my car. So in today's video, I'm going to do a point of view drive with this current exhaust setup I have, and what I'll do is I'll compare this setup to my new exhaust setup I'm going to have this upcoming Friday. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strap this GoPro on my head, get some awesome shots for all of you. And I've actually been waiting to film today because it's been raining all day, and finally, if you look at this right here, it's finally not raining, but the sky is pretty dark and it's still early in the day, but I can still film a video right now. So let's start this video off with a cold start, then I'll put on the GoPro and get this point of view drive started. Alright guys, let's get this point of view drive going, and there's only 2 more days of this exhaust setup, so I wanted to make this video so I can look back and see how this sounded, because this setup I have right now, I've had this for the past 3 years like I said, and I really did enjoy it, and I would have kept this setup if my JDL header didn't get that leak. But I'm excited to get something new, to get an equal length header that's custom made by my friend, and that's gonna sound awesome as well. And once I get that new header, I'll do another point of view video showing how that sounds as well. It's a little wet outside, but not bad at all. It was raining the whole day today, and I was waiting for it to stop so I can finally film this video. So this setup is loud, but it's not as loud. It's not as loud as when I had that catless front pipe, but it still sounds great. It still has a deep rumble, and let's do this acceleration here. Oh, slipping a little bit. Wet outside and I slipped off second gear. really quick. I want to hear how it sounds just by revving it without moving. Okay. 2,000 RPMs. 4,000. 7,000 RPMs. It still sounds good, but it has a different tone with the leak in the header, but it still has a deep tone that sounds really, really good. Get a nice downshift here. We'll do a light launch here from a standstill. Car feels good right now. It's not too cold outside. It's like 45 degrees. The car's running good, and I have almost a full tank of E85, if you can see that right there. My gas tank is pretty much full. Alright, we'll get another acceleration right here. 0 to about 50 miles per hour. Ease into it. Yeah, since the ground's wet, I have to ease into it. First to second gear. Fourth gear. Do a quick downshift to third. Feels good. Hopefully it's not too dark in here. The sky is completely dark right now, and hopefully you guys can see exactly what's going on. Alright guys, so I just left the gym and it is pitch black outside now, and it's only 5 o'clock. I'll try to do a couple accelerations on the way back. If it's too dark, I won't put them in the video and I'll end it there. We'll see how it looks. Alright, I can get a small acceleration here because I'm at a red light. Perfect. There's a roadkill on the ground. Quick downshift. Gonna slow down a little bit. Alright, I'll do a third gear pull at 35 miles an hour. Alright guys, just got home. I'm gonna finish this video now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. I last minute wanted to do this point of view video to film this exhaust setup I have because I absolutely love this setup, and I know it doesn't sound like it's supposed to, but it does sound great. So my next video will be the install of my new equal length header made by Tony, and I'm so excited for it. It's gonna sound awesome, and I'll do another point of view video, installation video, and everything. And I do love my NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust, and I know a lot of people don't like it for some reason, but with the NVIDIA N1 with the JDL header, it had a perfect tone to it, and I may be swapping that out as well depending on how it sounds with the new equal length header I'm getting, but we'll see how that goes. So tomorrow's Thanksgiving. This video will be released tomorrow. So hope all of you have a great Thanksgiving and look out for the next video. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of this exhaust setup right now. And I'm also gonna make a 2022 BRZ video very soon, and look out for that as well. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.